Hello friends. Welcome you to our YouTube channel that has consistently helped our viewers and subscribers improve their business processes. Each business uses different software, platform, technologies, and standards depending on their business needs. But every business uses common files, like images, videos, audios, and other simple files. An image is the simplest file that can be created without any complexities. Some prominent image formats are PNG, JPEG, BMP, TIFF, GIF, etc. The computer can open the image with its inbuilt application. Additionally, users can install other applications to view and edit images. Generally, the user does not back up an image file because it can be created again or moved to another computer. If you have lost some important images, whether screenshots, camera photos, reports, etc., you should protect them. As soon as any useful image is deleted from the computer, you can visit Recycle Bin and restore the image. The images will be restored to their original location on the hard drive. After you have emptied the Recycle Bin, then you cannot recover it using any method. But Kernel Windows Data Recovery software can recover such items that are deleted from the computer. It will scan the drive and recover the images. There are multiple scanning methods in the software that you can choose. For simpler files, like images, use Quick Scan. The software shows the logical and physical drives. You should choose the drive from which the images were deleted. Click Next. The software shows you the selected drive. Click Next. The software will start to recover the corrupt and deleted items from the drive. Let it be completed. After recovering the items, you can go to the folder where the images are present. When you choose the image, then its preview will open. Click Recover, and then choose the folder to save the picture. Click OK. The software will save the picture and show a confirmation message. Click OK. Similarly, you can recover all the Windows data from all logical and physical drives. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe to our channel to help us reach more users who want to recover data from their Windows systems. Also, read the complete information about the software on our webpage. Have a nice day.